Hello Tecla Insiders. In this video we will be teaching you how to make phone calls and send text messages on the iPhone. In order to complete these tasks you will need the Tecla-e, the Tecla app, an accessibility switch of your choice, and your iPhone. We will be screen recording our iPhone to show you the process of how easy these tasks can be for individuals no matter their movement ability. The red scanning motion can be found within the Apple accessibility settings, and we'll be making our selections with a buddy button. Let's get started.